I love sheet pan dinners. One, they're easy, and two, it's fast, easy cleanup. So I'm gonna be sharing with you 2 bone-in chicken thigh recipes. One is just a roasted chicken with potatoes, and the other is a honey garlic with broccoli and carrots.
First up is the roasted chicken and potatoes.
This is a big baking sheet, 14 by 20 something, so this is a big guy. So I am going to use parchment paper for this, but you can use aluminum foil. So to my bowl here, I'm gonna add some seasonings and herbs to marinate the chicken in. I don't even know. I'm just gonna start off with a tablespoon of everything. So I just put in some onion powder. This is thyme, and now I'm gonna put the rosemary in, and some garlic powder, some ground sage, some paprika, ground pepper, and some salt. And because I absolutely love it, some herbes de Provence. It's so good. What I love about it is that they have lavender in it. So we're gonna put some of that in there. All right, I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of olive oil. And then I'm going to put a 1/4 cup of lemon juice in. All right, I'm gonna add my chicken in. And we're just gonna get in here and mix this together. Now you could set this in your refrigerator for about an hour to marinate. We're gonna let that marinate. While that's marinating, you can work on your vegetables.
With my chicken on the sheet pan, I'm adding carrots, russet potatoes, 20 cloves of garlic, and you could use anywhere from 15 to 20. And then I quartered up an onion.
So I washed and scrubbed the potatoes and the carrots. To my bowl, I'm gonna add the potatoes. I'm gonna add some olive oil, salt, some black pepper, and I absolutely love tarragon on my potatoes. Oh my gosh. Yep. Mix this up. They're also going to get hit with all the juice from the chicken. What seasonings do you absolutely love on your potatoes? Adding just a titch more. I like a good seasoned potato. All right, I am just going to start adding my chicken, and we'll put the potatoes and vegetables just all around it. You can also use boneless if you want. This is what Sam's Club had at the moment, whatever I could get my hands on. I also love doing recipes like this with drumsticks. We are a drumstick family as well. We definitely like our dark meat for sure in this house. I am so excited for you guys to make this. Your house is gonna smell insane. Add the carrots. Definitely invest in some big sheet pans so you could do big dinners like this. And then I'm gonna add the onion in. I grew up with like chicken pan dinners. My mom would make them. I swear I've shared one with you before. I'll link it down below if I have. It's a very old video if I did. And you use a lot of butter and potatoes, and oh my gosh. And then I'm also gonna scatter the garlic. This is just gonna add a whole nother flavor and element to it. Oh yum, those will be nice and roasted as well. Okay, I am gonna drizzle a little olive oil, just a little, and then hit it with some more salt and black pepper. And this is gonna bake in a 375-degree oven for about an hour and 20 minutes. And then when it's done, we'll put it under the broiler for about 5 minutes.
Oh my gosh, look at this. It smells so good. Look at all that seasoning on the chicken. I can't wait to dive into this. Next, we're gonna make a honey garlic chicken thigh with carrots and broccoli.
We're gonna start on the sauce, and we're gonna whisk together all these ingredients. So you're gonna need a 1/3 cup honey, and I've already sprayed my measuring cup because it makes it easier to come out. And then you'll need 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. We're also going to need 4 cloves garlic minced, so about 1 to 1½ tablespoons of garlic. All right, today I'm working with 8 bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. I have my bag that we're gonna marinate our chicken in. This can stay in your refrigerator from 30 minutes up to 24 hours. I'm gonna do for 30 minutes today. It's gonna marinate in with about 1/4 cup of the mixture we made. Okay, here's 1/4 cup. And we're gonna massage this in. So this can refrigerate for 30 minutes or up to 2 hours. And then with this mixture, just set it aside because we're gonna use it again. We are going to work with 4 pounds of broccoli florets. The recipe says a pound of small carrots sliced. So I'm gonna peel these carrots. And then I'm going to probably trim these, and then the big bunches make them smaller. This recipe is from eatingwell.com, and I will leave it down below. I'm also going to toss the broccoli with another tablespoon of olive oil. I'm not using as many carrots as the recipe said. My family will eat more of the broccoli than the carrots, but I'm just going to toss them in some olive oil. So to my big pan, this time I'm adding aluminum foil, and you're gonna have your oven preheated to 400 degrees. We're gonna coat this with some cooking spray. And then we're gonna take our chicken and layer it onto the cookie sheet. We're going to put the carrots first in the oven with the chicken, and then the broccoli will join later. All right, we are going to bake the chicken and the carrots for 15 minutes in a 400 degree oven first, and then we'll add the broccoli. When it's been 15 minutes, we're going to add the broccoli, and then we're gonna add some salt and pepper. And we're gonna bake until the vegetables are tender. You're gonna check the chicken with a thermometer. Then we're going to make sure it's registered at 165 degrees. So that way we know the chicken is done. And this will cook for about another 15 to 18 minutes, and we'll check on it. To this little bowl, I'm gonna add a teaspoon of cornstarch and a teaspoon of water. I'm just whisking up this. So in my pan, I'm gonna add the rest of the marinade. And then we're gonna add the cornstarch. Whisk this, and then we're gonna simmer this. So my heat is on. We're gonna simmer this for a bit and then let it thicken, and then we're gonna pour it over the chicken when it comes out of the oven. So my chicken is done. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Now that the sauce is done, we're gonna drizzle this over our chicken and vegetables. Oh man, dinner is done.
This would even work if you wanted to steam up some rice and add that on top of it. That would be very yummy. But you guys, the flavor on this is seriously so good.
Okay. So please share down below your favorite sheet pan dinners or ones that you would like me to try. I have more to share with you soon. Bye.